Hey everyone, it's Ahmed, and I'm so excited to be partnering with my friend Joanna Gaines on this project. We're about to dive into a world of curtain inspiration. You know me, I'm all about those structural renovations, but Joanna taught me that sometimes the right finishing touches can make all the difference. Whether you're fixing up a farmhouse or just want to refresh your living room, curtains have this incredible way of transforming a space. They add warmth, texture, and personality. And the best part, you don't need to be a design expert to pull it off. We're going to walk you through tons of ideas, from dramatic floor-to-ceiling drapes to playful patterns and colors, so you can find the perfect look for your home. Let's get started. You know how much I love a good high ceiling. There's just something so grand and majestic about it. It opens up the space, making everything feel more expansive and luxurious. High ceilings can transform a room from ordinary to extraordinary in an instant, and there's no better way to accentuate that grandeur than with floor-to-ceiling drapes. These drapes not only add a touch of elegance, but also emphasize the height of the room, making it feel even more spacious and airy. Picture this rich, luxurious fabric cascading from the ceiling all the way down to the floor. It's like a waterfall of elegance, flowing seamlessly and adding a dramatic flair to any space. It's like adding an instant dose of elegance to any room. Whether it's a living room, bedroom, or even a dining area, floor-to-ceiling drapes can elevate the entire ambience. One of my favorite things about floor-to-ceiling drapes is how they can actually make a room feel taller and more spacious. It's a clever design trick that can completely transform the perception of space. It's like tricking the eye into thinking the walls go on forever. This illusion of height can make even the smallest rooms feel grand and open. Plus, they draw your eye upward, highlighting the height and creating a sense of airiness. This upward movement can make the room feel less cluttered and more serene. When you're choosing fabric for floor-to-ceiling drapes, don't be afraid to go for something with a little weight to it. Heavier fabrics can add a sense of luxury and opulence to the room. Linen, velvet, even a beautiful silk blend. These fabrics drape beautifully and add a touch of sophistication. Each material brings its own unique texture and feel to the space. And here's a little tip. Hanging your drapes a few inches above the window frame will enhance the illusion of height even more. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how the room feels. It's a simple trick, but it makes a world of difference. You'll be amazed at how much taller and more elegant your room will look with this easy change. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Floor-to-ceiling drapes sound a little too formal for my style. But that's the beauty of them. They can be adapted to fit any aesthetic. But trust me, they can work in any space, from a cozy farmhouse living room to a sleek modern bedroom. It's all about how you style them and the materials you choose. It's all about finding the right fabric and color palette to match your aesthetic. Whether you prefer something neutral and calming or bold and vibrant, there's a perfect option out there for you. For a farmhouse feel, think natural linen or a light and airy cotton blend. These materials bring a sense of warmth and coziness to the space. For a more modern look, try a sleek velvet or a bold geometric print. The possibilities are endless. You can really let your creativity shine with the right choice of fabric and design. And the best part is you can easily change the entire look and feel of a room just by switching out your drapes. It's a simple yet effective way to refresh your space without a major overhaul. Let's talk about one of my favorite design secrets: layering. It's a technique that can transform any space from ordinary to extraordinary. And no, I'm not talking about clothes, though I do love a good layered outfit. This is about something even more impactful for your home. I'm talking about curtains. Layering curtains is one of the easiest ways to add depth, dimension, and a visual interest to your windows. It's a simple trick that can make a huge difference. It's like adding another layer of personality to your home. Each layer can tell a different story and contribute to the overall ambience. My go-to combination is a sheer curtain paired with a heavier blackout curtain. This duo offers both beauty and practicality. The sheer curtain lets in that beautiful natural light during the day, creating a soft, diffused glow. It's perfect for making a room feel airy and bright. Then, when you want a little more privacy or need to block out the light for a midday nap, you've got the blackout curtains ready to go. They're perfect for creating a cozy, dark environment. It's the perfect blend of style and functionality. You get the best of both worlds without compromising on either. But don't be afraid to get creative with your layering. There are endless possibilities to explore. You can experiment with different textures, colors, and patterns. Mixing and matching can lead to some stunning results. Try pairing a linen drape with a lace curtain for a touch of romantic charm. This combination can add a soft, elegant feel to any room. Or go for a bold geometric print layered over a solid color for a more modern vibe. It's a great way to make a statement. And here's a little design tip: hanging your curtains at different heights can create even more visual interest. It's a trick that can make your windows look taller and your room more spacious. Try hanging the sheer curtain closer to the window frame and the blackout curtain a few inches higher. This layering technique adds depth and sophistication. It's a subtle detail that makes a big impact. Small changes can lead to dramatic improvements in your space. Layering curtains is like adding the finishing touch to a beautifully wrapped gift. It's that extra step that makes everything come together. It completes the look and makes it feel polished and put together. So go ahead and experiment with layering in your home. You'll be amazed at the transformation. One of the things I love most about design is that there are no hard and fast rules. It's all about letting your personality shine through and creating a space that feels authentically you. And when it comes to curtains, that means embracing bold patterns and colors. Now, I know that the thought of using bold patterns and colors in your home can feel a little intimidating, especially if you're naturally drawn to neutrals like me. But trust me that a little bit of pattern and color can go a long way in adding personality and charm to your space. Think of curtains as an opportunity to inject a little bit of your personality into your home. If you're new to patterns, start with something small and subtle, like a stripe or a geometric print. You can also choose patterns in colors that complement your existing decor. And if you're feeling really bold, go for a large-scale floral or a vibrant abstract print. The key is to choose something that you love and that makes you happy. Don't be afraid to experiment and have a little fun with it. After all, it's just paint. You can always change it if you don't love it. Now, as much as I love a bold pop of color, there's something so calming and serene about a minimalist design. It's all about clean lines, simple silhouettes, and a sense of understated elegance. And when it comes to minimalist curtains, it's all about choosing fabrics and colors that blend seamlessly into the background, creating a sense of harmony and tranquility. Think natural linen, soft cotton, or even a lightweight wool blend. These fabrics drape beautifully and add a touch of understated elegance to any room. And when it comes to color, stick with a neutral palette of white, cream, beige, or grey. These colors create a sense of calm and serenity, and they provide the perfect backdrop for your furniture and decor. One of the things I love about minimalist curtains is that they don't compete for attention with other elements in the room. They complement your existing decor, enhancing the overall aesthetic without overpowering it. So, if you're looking for a way to simplify your space and create a sense of calm and tranquility, consider incorporating minimalist curtains into your design. Okay, we've talked about fabrics, colors, and patterns, but let's not forget about the importance of installation. The way you choose to hang your curtains can completely transform the ambiance of your room. It's not just about the material or the color. The installation method plays a crucial role in defining the overall aesthetic. The way you hang your curtains can make a world of difference in the overall look and feel of your space. A simple change in the installation method can take a room from ordinary to extraordinary. Now, I know that using traditional curtain rods is the most common way to hang curtains, but don't be afraid to think outside the box. Traditional rods are reliable and easy to install, but there are so many other creative options out there. There are so many innovative installation methods that can add a unique touch to your home. From using unconventional materials to experimenting with different heights and placements, the possibilities are endless. One of my favorite ways to create a dramatic statement is by using ceiling-mounted tracks. This method not only makes your ceilings look higher, but also adds a sleek, modern touch to the room. These tracks are virtually invisible, giving the illusion that your curtains are floating effortlessly from the ceiling. It's a fantastic way to achieve a minimalist and elegant look. Another option is to use decorative rods. These rods can be a statement piece in themselves, adding an extra layer of design to your windows. These rods come in a variety of styles, from sleek and modern to ornate and traditional, and they can add a touch of personality to your windows. Whether you prefer a minimalist look or something more elaborate, there's a decorative rod to match your taste. You can even find rods made from reclaimed wood or metal for a touch of rustic charm. These materials can add warmth and character to your space, making it feel more inviting and unique. And if you're looking for a way to maximize functionality, consider using motorized curtains. These are perfect for those who love convenience and modern technology. These curtains can be opened and closed with the touch of a button, making them perfect for large windows or hard-to-reach places. Imagine the ease of controlling your curtains without even leaving your seat. The key is to choose an installation method that complements your style and the overall design of your space. Whether you go for something traditional or modern, make sure it enhances the beauty of your room. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. The right installation can make your curtains not just a functional element, but a true centerpiece of your home decor. To wrap up, we've covered a diverse range of curtain installation ideas that can enhance your interior design and bring your vision to life. Remember, the right curtains can make all the difference. And with these ideas, you'll be well on your way to creating a space that's truly unforgettable. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more interior design tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you and seeing how you've used these ideas to transform your own homes. Remember, designing your home should be a fun and rewarding experience. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and most importantly, create a space that you love coming home to.